Hello, how are you doing today? I hope that you're doing well. My name is Curtis, and you are watching Positive Breaks, where we stay positive and break open something new. So today in this video, I'm going to be breaking open this Manetained box. I'm excited to jump in to this package and show you what I ordered from Manetained, or Build a Beard Co. So I'm going to spin this camera around and we'll bust open this package and we'll get it out and take a look at it. Do you remember the first 100? I made a couple videos about this oil. It's all about this beard company called Manetained. Started out as an Instagram group. Started out with Build a Beard brand, and they switched up to Build a Beard Co. And this was an amazing journey to crowdsource through Instagram, through the internet, building a business. And this is the business that has been built. Manetained. It is here. I received the package. I'm excited to jump into it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and bust into it. And I'm excited to show you what I purchased. There we go. Got the box open. That was the hard part, apparently. So what's inside the box? Inside every box is the Gentleman's Assembly. What a fun add-on. That Manetained.com is the website. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it'll focus that closely. So this has some ideas on how to stay fit, how to maintain your beard, and I am excited to dive into this. I've seen all about it on Instagram. A lot of people who have looked at it and posted about it. So the Gentleman's Assembly, first item out of the bag. And then got some new masks. The Manetained Main Guard. Look at that. I picked up the Tuxedo Black. That's what this one's called. Maybe pure black. And then here's the one that's a little bit of a gray color. So yeah, I got some new beard masks. The ones I had were getting kind of old and worn out. So I'm excited. These have a nose strip to help it fit more securely. And there we go. So I got two masks. And inside here is another bubble mailer that has the secret sauce. That's right. I ordered some more beard oil. I loved this first 100 so much. I knew that I wanted to get the next scent, and it was such a cool experience because they had all kinds of blends, and the blends are all customized to what you want or what you need. Also, the bottle. So I picked this black bottle because I thought that was the coolest looking one. And let's see, what else did I pick? I picked Strengthen was the blend I wanted. So the blend was using castor, jojoba, and avocado, along with some essential oils. This is going to be an orange scent or a citrus scent, and I'm so excited to give it a smell. Has some quick directions here. Place some into your hand, massage it into your beard and skin, and groom and style as usual. But check out this part. This is what I think makes this product, at least the packaging, so much head and shoulders of everybody else. Look at this. Custom labels. So my very own Positive Breaks beard oil by, here we go, Build a Beard Co. Manetained is the brand name. Build a Beard Co. is the initiative, is the social media following. Really, really cool. I am super excited to give this a smell and to give it a look. So let me go ahead and spin this camera around, and I'm going to bust open this bottle and give you a reaction to how it smells. I am excited, super excited. I love the look of this bottle. That stands out as well. And I'm excited to put these maintained main guards into use. And yeah, so excited. All right, turn this camera around. Here we go. All right, here we are. Got the camera turned around. I'm so excited to bust open my Positive Breaks beard oil. Here we go. If I can get it open. Here's a big old first whiff. Oh yeah, nice and orangey, nice and citrusy. It's got a nice golden, almost greenish color to it. Let me see if I can't put it down right here and put some in my hand. Oh, sorry, take my wedding ring off. You don't have to, but I always like to. And get a little bit in the dropper. My size beard, I go for probably about half a dropper, so 6 or 8 drops. And let's see how this smells in hand. Oh yeah, there we go. I wish I knew exactly what notes to describe. I'm smelling oranges and maybe some grapefruit. It smells great. Let me go ahead and put it in the beard. So we start off by putting it into the skin. That's where it does the most damage. Not damage. That's where it does the most good. Is to hydrate the skin under your beard, and then you put the rest of it in the beard. And I can. My beard's long enough I can do this now to smell it. How funny is that? That is amazing. Vinny, Build-A-Beard Co. crew, Maintained crew, however you want to describe yourself, this is great. Take whatever's left over, put it on my arms, my elbows, anywhere I might get all dry skin, and I am so excited to continue to wear this and to rock this beard oil. My very own labeled Positive Breaks beard oil. How cool is that? So I was thinking, I've got these beard masks. I don't know how to put it on yet. They have all kinds of directions here, but I thought at least I could open it up. Maybe I got beard oil in my hands, and we can just look at it a little bit further, and I can maybe try to pretend to put it on. Sorry, I'm not showing you what I'm looking at here. There is a lot going on here. Looks like it's going to take a little bit of finagling to learn how to use it, but we'll see what it looks like against my beard. I was so excited to order that I didn't actually look at everything. I just like, I need to get my order in before he sells out, because I know he's doing like a small batch. So I just ordered the regular beard mask, and my beard is kind of long now, so I probably need to go back and order a bigger one. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what this looks like. So I guess the drapes over your head, and you can tighten it. There we go. Yeah, that wasn't so bad. But I don't know if you can see yet. I'm definitely hanging out below the guard, the main guard. But that's okay. I'll give it a try, and I might be back to order another one. I like how it wraps around your neck, and I can just lower it down. Anyways, this is so much fun. It was so much fun to be a part of this journey, to see this company start from just an idea and to bounce it off of consumers and possible customers, and just to see how each step it got closer to being a company, a full-fledged company, and having a full-fledged product that is going to be there to help the bearded man, and just to help them maintain their beard, and then to stay safe and fill in this void of saying, hey, I realize that some people have to wear masks, but so many times the masks aren't beard friendly. So here is a beard friendly mask. Let me get this off. Gotta loosen it first. But oh goodness, Vinny, I am so excited for you and this journey, and I have been enjoying so much being part of this. I hope that you realize how much this has meant to me as just being a friend and a volunteer partner for you and your company. All right, so I think that's all I have to say for now. I guess I can pull up the Gentleman's Assembly again and we can read newspaper together. But anyways, I had so much fun making this video. I had so much fun breaking into this product and showing you what it's about. So my name is Curtis. You just watched Positive Breaks. Stay positive, break open something new. Bye.